Axie value equivalent to $6.2700 a coin. The present range, $6.12, $6.31. The earlier day close, $6.27. In spite of prevalent thinking, the change was 0.0090, 0.14% in an especially large way. Converse rate, USD to X, which by and large is genuinely critical. Axie value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Axie cost expectation for June 2023. At the outset, cost at $6.85 in a significant manner. Most extreme cost $7.95. Least cost $5.07. The really normal for the month $6.39 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $5.70. Change for June 16.8%. Axe to USD expectations for July 2023. In the first place, cost at $5.70. Greatest cost $6.16. Most certainly least cost $4.81 in a significant manner. The normal for the month $5.46 amazingly. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $5.17. Change for July 9.3%. Axie cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at $5.17. Extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Most extreme cost $5.17. Really least cost $4.17. The genuinely normal for the month $4.75 in a very significant manner. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $4.48. Change for August 13.3%. Axe to USD expectations for September 2023, which is very huge. Initially cost at $4.48. Most extreme cost $4.52. Least cost $3.92. The normal for the month $4.29. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.22. Change for September 5.8%. Axie cost expectation for October 2023, or so they thought. At the outset, cost at $4.22 in an especially huge manner. Greatest cost $4.22. Least cost $3.44, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The kind of normal for the month $3.90. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $3.70. Change for October 12.3%, or so they for the most part thought. Axe to USD expectations for November 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Before all else, cost at $3.70 in an unpretentious manner. Most extreme cost $3.70. Least cost $3, which is genuinely critical. The normal for the month $3.41 in a by and large enormous manner. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $3.23. Change for November 12.7%. Axie cost expectation for December 2023, in opposition to mainstream thinking. To start with, cost at $3.23 amazingly. Greatest cost $4.01. Exceptionally least cost $3.23. The normal for the month $3.56. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $3.75. Change for December 16.1%. Axe to USD expectations for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $3.75, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Greatest cost $3.75. Least cost $3. The kind of normal for the month $3.43. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $3.23. Change for January 13.9% incredibly. Axie cost expectation for February 2024, or so they thought. To start with, cost at $3.23 in a significant manner. Most extreme cost $3.23. Kind of least cost $2.52. The normal for the month $2.92. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $2.71. Change for February 16.1%. Axe to USD expectations for WAC 2024, which sort of is very critical. In the first place, cost at $2.71. Greatest cost $2.71. In every way that really matters. Least cost $2.12. The normal for the month $2.46 in a significant manner. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $2.28. Change for spring 15.9%. Axie cost expectation for April 2024 in a significant manner. At the outset, cost at $2.28. Most extreme cost $2.28. Lovely least cost $1.89 amazingly. The genuinely normal for the month $2.12. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $2.03. Change for April 11.0% in an unpretentious manner. Axe to USD expectations for May 2024. In the first place cost at $2.03, greatest cost $2.03, least cost $1.59. The normal for the month $1.84, which is very critical. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $1.71. Change for May 15.8%. Axie cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.71. Greatest cost $2.12. Fundamentally least cost $1.71. The very normal for the month $1.88 in a quite large manner. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $1.98. Change for June 15.8%. Axe to USD expectations for July 2025. First and foremost cost at $3.75. Greatest cost $4.65. Least cost $3.75 and in every way that really matters, significant way. The genuinely normal for the month $4.13, or so they thought. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $4.35. Change for July 16.0% in a quite enormous manner. USD to Axe swapping scale equivalent to 0.1595 Axies per $1. Today, S reach 0.1583 minus 0.1634. The past day, S nearby 0.1593. Change for now plus 0.0002, plus 0.13%. Dollar to Axie gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027 US dollars to Axe expectations for June 2023 as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the first place cost at 0.146 Axies. Most extreme cost 0.197. Least 0.126. The normal for the month 0.161 in an unobtrusive manner. The USD to Axe estimate toward the month's end 0.175. Change for June 19.9% incredibly. Dollar to Axie estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.175 Axies. Greatest cost 0.208. Least 0.162, which is genuinely critical. The normal for the month 0.185. The USD to Axe conjecture toward the month's end 0.193. Change for July 10.3% in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to Axe expectations for August 2023. Before all else cost at 0.193 Axies, or so they in a real sense thought. Greatest cost 0.240. Least 0.193. The normal for the month 0.212, or so they thought. The USD to Axe gauge toward the month's end 0.223. Change for August 15.5%. Dollar to Axie gauge for September 2023. In the first place cost at 0.223 Axies. Greatest cost 0.255. Least 0.221 in an unobtrusive manner. The very normal for the month 0.234. The USD to Axe gauge toward the month's end 0.23.